Hello users, it's Godzilla 100 with a game review. It's going to be on Fossil Fighters. One of the best games I ever had. I'm going to show you something cool, the best team my best team that I ever got. So I'm going to show you what team it is. And I'll show you an example of how much damage you can do on your opponent. Me with my Char mask on. Okay, first team. Okay, let me show you what the best team is. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the best team. Like I said, everybody likes T-Rex. How much damage he does. It looks awesome. Next one is Tricera. Good support effects. 72 damage. And yeah, one of my favorites. And this is another Guan. And he has 90% support effects on attack. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what it would look like if we had this team. Okay, I'm gonna do an example in the battle. Okay, let me see if I can battle someone. Are there any people in the battle? There is. There's one guy. Yes. Okay. His team is a 7 person, a M Raptor, and a Glow. This is just one example. Okay, let's see how it goes. Look at that, 130 damage. Oh. Not even a lot. I was just like a little bit. Oh, he poisoned me. Oh, this is a big surprise. Show you guys this. T-Rex Trantor. 175 damage. Look at all the damage it has done to that team. What will we do this time? Again? Okay. Okay, bet you they're all gonna die in this one. Bye-bye. Ooh, he's still alive. That guy's still alive. There's only one more left. because I only did like probably just one. Let's try Sarah's turn. So yeah, that's one example. So yeah, this is Godzilla 100 signing out. Epic.